Welcome back to my AMR YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope everyone is good. So in this session we will discuss exercise 1.3 for Karnataka state syllabus, for 5.3 CBSE and NCERT students, 6.3 that is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana state students. So before that you need to know the basics, that means introduction part you have to know. So already I told you introduction part, you please check once the introduction part. Okay, without introduction you cannot do nothing. Are you getting my words? So let's start our exercise. See here, what is Sn? Sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. What is the formula of Sn? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You have to remember this. See, this same formula we can write it as n by 2 into 2a can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. Are you getting? See, what is a plus n minus 1 into d? Everyone know that this is a nth term. This is a nth term, that is last term. You can write it as L. A plus L. Why means L is nothing but last term. Last term, that means nth term. Are you getting? You can use this formula also. Understand, very important here. And already you know about what is A here. A is a first term. A is a first term. And what is D? D is common difference. Common difference. And what is N here? N is number of terms. N is number of terms. You have to know these things. So let's start the question number 1 in exercise. They given, find the sum of following arithmetic progressions. 2, 7, 12 and so on up to we have a 10 terms. What? Up to we have 10 terms. So you can write it as A is equal to 2 because A is first term. And what is here common difference? D is equal to 7 minus 2, that is 5. And we have how many terms here? We have 10 terms, that is n is equal to 10. What we need to find? We need to find sum of n terms, that means sum of 10 terms. So you can write S10 we need to find. S10 we need to find. And we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Everyone know this. So substitute here. Yes, what we need to find? 10. Yes, 10 we need to find is equal to 10 by 2 into what is a ma? A is 2 plus 10 minus 1 into what is common difference? D is 5. Understand? So 2 5 is a 10. Right? Then S10 is equal to 5 into 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1, that is 9 into 5. What is 9 5s are 45. What is 45 plus 5? You have to do very fast. 4 plus 45, that is equal to 5 into 45 plus 4 is nothing but 49. Multiply this 5 into 49, we get 245. Are you getting? So S10, sum of 10 terms is equal to 245. This is our result. Understand? Let's go for second one. See the second question, same process which I told you before. First term, that is A minus 37. Common difference, that is T2 minus T1 minus 33 minus half minus 37. Minus into minus we get plus. So what is minus 33 plus 37? We get 4. So if you don't know how to add and how to subtract these means, I already given you in the description box. Check once. These are the basic maths. Understand? So find Sn. We need to find Sn. What is n here? N means number of terms. So we have a 12 terms. We need to find sum of n terms. So let's start. Sn, that means S12 is equal to 12 divided by 2 into what is A? A is minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into what is common difference D, that is 4. Write down like this. So S12 is equal to, check here, 2 1s 2, 2 6 are 12. So 6 into, multiply 2 into minus 37, that is minus 74, plus 12 minus 1, we get 11 here. 11 into remaining is 4. 11 fours are 44. Write down directly, no problem. So that is equal to 6 into minus 74 plus 44. What is the result here? Result is minus 30. Understand? Write down. So 30 into 6, what? Minus 80. 30 into 6, 180. And we have a negative sign, so write down minus here. Okay. So S12 is equal to minus 180. So this is our solution. Let's check next, third question. What is A here? 0.6. Understand what is the common difference? D is equal to T2 minus T1. That is 1.7 minus 0.6. So what is the common difference? D is equal to 1.1. Subtract this. So n is equal to what? How many terms are there? Number of terms, that is 100. What we need to find? We need to find sum of 100 terms, that is S100 is equal to what? So you have to write the formula. Now we have to substitute these values. A is equal to 0.6, D is equal to 1.1 and N is equal to 100. What we get? See here. Do you understand this step? Nothing we are doing here. I am just substituting here A, D and N, that's all. So 50 into, what is it? 2 into 0.6, we get 1.2. Multiply. Plus 99, 100 minus 1, we get 99 into 1.1. So 50 into 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1, we get 108.9. Check once, multiply. These are the basic maths. You must do. Okay. 50 into 1.2 plus 108.9, we get 110.1. Multiply this 110.1 into 50, we will get 5505.0. Understand? Okay, let's start for fourth question. See here, 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 2, 1 by 10, up to 11 terms we have. What is A? A is first term, that is 1 by 15. So what is the common difference? D is equal to T2 minus T1. 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. Okay, do you know how to solve this? If you don't know, I'll give a link before. I'll give a link in the description box. Please check once. So what is the LCM of 12 and 50? LCM of 12 and 50 is 60. And now I am writing like this. 1 by 12 into LCM, that is 60, minus 1 by 15 into 60. So cancel. 12 ones are 12. 12 5s are 60. 15 ones are 15. 15 fours are 60. Understand? So 5 minus 4 by 60. What we get? 1 by 60 we will get. Are you getting? See here. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 divided by 60, that is equal to 1 by 60. 5 minus 4, we get 1 by 60. So that is the common difference. What we need to find? S11 we need to find, because already they given n is equal to 11. Find S11. So S11 is equal to, I am writing directly, see here, n by 2, that is 11 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into 1 by 60, that is n minus 1 into d, by using formula, sum of n terms formula. So what we get here? 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 10. 11 minus 1, we get 10. 1 by 60. So 0 0 get cancelled. Remaining we have 1 by 6. 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. Now same process we are doing. What we done no here, we are doing subtraction. So now here we are doing addition. Same process you have to do. See, 11 by 2 into, what is the LCM of 15 comma 6? You have to do LCM. Don't you know how to do LCM? So please check once my before videos, you can understand very easily. Understand? 15 comma 6. LCM of 15 comma 6 is 30. So 2 by 15 into 30 plus 1 by 6 into 30. So 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 6 ones are 6, 6 fives are 30. Are you getting? So what is the remaining here? 11 by 2 into 2 twos are 4 plus 5 ones are 5 divided by 30. See, 11 by 2 into 4 plus 5, 9 divided by 30. Are you getting? So what we get? 9 11s are 99 divided by 32s are 60. You can cancel here. 3 3s are 9. We get 33. 3 2s are 6 and 0 as it is. So our result is 33 divided by 20. This is the sum of 11 terms. So S11 is equal to 33 by 20. This is our answer. Let's go for next second question. Check second question. So what they given? We need to do sum of these terms. Actually before question they given how many terms are there. They given small n. But here we need to find the small n. Are you getting? First of all we need to find what is the small n. That is number of terms we need to find. After that we can find sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. Are you getting? So let's start. What is the first term here? That is 7. So A is equal to 7. What is D? Common difference. T2 minus T1. Term 2, that is 10 1 by 2 minus 7. Do you know how to do this? This is in the form of a mixed fraction. So you need to convert it into improper fraction. How can you do this? See, 10 2s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. Are you getting? 21 divided by, what is in the denominator? That is 2. Write down 2 itself. Minus 7. So solve this. 21 minus 7 2s are 14 divided by 2. So D is equal to 21 minus 14, we get 7 divided by 2. Keep it in the box. What is term n here? Tn is equal to, what is the last term? That is 84. What is the last term here? 84. So I told you, if it looks the last term, that is 84, you can denote it as L, small l, or small l is equal to 84. That is last term. This indicates last term. Understand? So let's start. To find number of terms. What is Tn here? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Are you getting? So that is last term we need to find. Sorry, not last term. We need to find small n. What is Tn? That is 84 is equal to 7 plus n. This is we need to find minus 1 into, what is D? 7 by 2. Substitute this. 84 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. We can write like this. What is 87? 84 minus 7, 77 we get. N minus 1 into 7 by 2. So what is n minus 1 here? N minus 1 is equal to 77 divided by 7 by 2. Divided by 7 by 2. So this will be, this one can written as 77 divided by 1 into, see this is in denominator, so we get a reciprocal when we multiply this. 2 by 7 we will come. Are you getting? 7 1s is 7, 7 11s is 77. So what we get here? 11 2s are 22. So n minus 1 is equal to 22. That implies, what is n? 22 plus 1, because minus 1 will become plus 1 when we move to right side. These are the basics. So n is equal to 23. Understand? N is equal to 23. So how many terms we have here? In this second question, the first one is, we have 23 terms. Are you getting? So now easily you can solve sum of the 23 terms. Sum of 23 terms. Let's start. What is Sn? N by 2 into A plus L. Why I write it here? Do you have any idea? See, we can solve very easily here. Sn is equal to, what is n? Sorry, n is 23, no? Write down here. S23 is equal to 23 divided by 2 into, what is the first term here? First term is 7 plus last term. What is last term? 84. Write down here 84. Very simple. So S23 is equal to 23 divided by 2 into 84 plus 7, we get 91. Are you getting? So you can write 23 into 91. If you multiply this, we get 2093. I already done here. So divided by 2. You can write, if you division this, we get in the mixed fraction, that is 10461 by 2. If you don't know how to do this, you can write up to here, no problem. So what is our result? S23 is equal to 2093 divided by 2. Let's start next question. Before that, pause the video to note down. What they given? 34 plus 32 plus 30 up to and so on plus n. So definitely we can say this is the last term, that is L or Tn. Nth term or last term. What is the first term here? A is equal to 34. What is the common difference? T2 minus T1, that is 32 minus 34. That is equal to, 32 is smallest number, so definitely we get a negative sign. So minus 2. We need to find Sn is equal to what? Are you getting? So before that, we need to know how many terms we have here. How many terms we have here? So for that, you need to find term n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is a formula. What is Tn? That is last term, that is 10 is equal to 34 plus, we need to find n. So write like that itself, minus 1 into, what is d? Minus 2. So 10 is equal to 34. So why don't you write like this? 10 minus 34. So 34 is in right side. So we need to get in the left side. It will become minus 34 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. 10 minus 34 we get minus 24, right? So n minus 1 into minus 2, right? Like that itself. Take n minus 1 is equal to minus 24 divided by minus 2. We can write like this. See, n minus 1 into minus 2. N minus 1 into minus 2. See, this minus 2 will perform division. That is minus 24 divided by minus 2. Are you getting? So, cancel minus minus. So, 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are 24. N minus 1 is equal to 12. N is equal to 12 minus 1 will become plus 1. We get 13. So, n is equal to 13. So now we find here number of terms. How many terms we have? We have 13 terms in this question. So now you can easily find what is S13. Are you understand? S13 we need to find. S13. That is equal to, what is the formula of Sn here? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Otherwise you can write it as n by 2 into a plus L. Understand? You can write like this also. So S13 is equal to, what is A here? A is 34 n by 2 into 34 plus, what is L here? Last term, that is 10. Write down. So sorry, I didn't write here. What is n here? N is 13. No? Write down 13. 13 by 2 into 34 plus 10. Okay. Now tell me what is 34 plus 10 here? 13 by 2 into 34 plus 10, we get a 44. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 13 into 22. If you multiply these things, we get a 286. So our 13th term, that means the sum of 13 terms will become 289. Nothing we are doing. In this question, they are asking us to find the sum of these terms. Sum of these terms. Before that, they did not given here how many terms we have. So now I find here what sum of what is this number of terms we find here. What is the number of terms here? That is n is equal to 13. Now easily you can find that sum of 13 terms, that is n by 2 into a plus the last term. Are you getting? So what is n here? N is 13 divided by 2 into 34 plus 10. If you substitute like this, we get a sum of 13 terms, that is 286. Understand? Let's move for next question. Before that, pause the video to note down. So third question, minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 and so on up to minus 230. We have to add these things. So आपको फाइनाइट नंबर्स देते तो आप एडिंग एंड एडिशन जरूर कर देंगे, बट हियर हमको तो क्या पता नहीं है कितने टर्म्स है, इधर कितने टर्म्स है वो पता नहीं है. सो वो ही पता लगाना चाहिए. आपको समझ में आ रहा है? What we need to find? We need to find n, that is number of terms. Then we can solve sum of terms. Okay. So what is a here? Minus 5. What is d here? Minus 8 minus of minus 5. So minus 8 minus into minus plus 5. So we get minus 3. What is the nth term? Tn or last term? L is equal to minus 230. Already they given. So let's find n here. N is equal to how much, and sum of n terms we need to find. Okay. So what is term n? A plus n minus 1 into d. We need to find Tn. Last term already they given, so write down 230 is equal to minus 5 plus n minus 1 into what is d minus 3. Understand? Minus 230 minus 5 will become plus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Understand? Minus 230 plus 5 we get 225 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Okay, what is n minus 1 here? Minus 225 divided by minus 3. Minus 3 will perform as division. So cancel minus minus. So 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21. Again 1 remaining. 3 5s are 15. That is n minus 1 is equal to 75. Then what is n here? 75 plus 1. 76. So n is equal to 76. Now sum of 76 terms we need to find. Are you getting? So what is the formula here? N by 2 into a plus l. A plus l. So S76 is equal to 76 divided by 2 into what is a? Minus 5 plus what is last term? Minus 230. It's very simple. So cancel this 2 3 is 6. Remaining 1 2 8 16. We get 38. 38 into minus 5 plus into minus we get minus 230. So 38 into what is minus 5 minus 230? 2 minus 235 will get. Okay, multiply that. If you multiply what we get here 8930, and also we have negative sign, so keep minus. Therefore sum of 76 terms will be minus 8930. This is our answer. Are you getting? So please do practice. Before that, pause the video to note down. If you like my video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye, and we will meet in the next video. Bye bye.